How to find IBAN number in Swedbank. Log in to your Swedbank online banking account. Navigate to the account overview or account details section. Look for the specific account for which you need the IBAN number. Once located, click or tap on the account to view its details. The IBAN number should be displayed alongside other account information. If you can't find it there, try checking your account statements or transaction history. The IBAN number is typically listed on these documents. Alternatively, you can try contacting Swedbank through securing messaging or visiting a branch. Ensure you have proper identification if visiting a branch. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.